Hello, Anthony Fasano here from Pass the PE Exam. In this episode, we're going to talk about a vital aspect of your exam preparation: identifying and avoiding the top 5 mistakes that can hinder your ability to pass the PE exam. Whether you're gearing up for your first attempt or you're looking to improve upon a previous effort, these insights are tailored to boost your exam study strategy. This Pass the PE Exam video is brought to you by PPI, a leader in engineering exam prep for the FE and PE exams since 1975.
PPI provides expert prep courses and study resources designed to help you pass the PE exam the first time. PPI's live online courses include hours of lectures, problem-solving demonstrations, exam strategy sessions, office hours, and a passing guarantee. When you take a live online course, PPI guarantees you will pass, or you can take the on-demand course for free. With study guides, practice exams, and more, the PPI Learning Hub offers digital practice and review that you can take with you anywhere you have a device so that you can prepare during the times most convenient for you. Check out PPI today at ppi2pass.com to see all the options available for PE exam prep. Let's dive in.
Number 1, time management miscues. The PE exam is quite a challenge against time. You're given 8 hours to tackle 80 questions. This breaks down to roughly 6 minutes per question. The strategy here is crucial. Don't get bogged down on a single question. If you find yourself stuck, it's wise to move on and revisit the flagged question later. And that's important. You can flag problems that you can skip and easily come back to later on. One practical tip I recommend is bringing a stopwatch or a wristwatch to the exam. This simple tool can be a lifesaver in helping you monitor your time. Just make sure the stopwatch or wristwatch is acceptable. Number 2, underestimating the power of sleep. It's tempting to cram all the information you can the night before the exam, but this approach can be counterproductive. A good night's sleep is invaluable. Lack of sleep can impair your judgment and diminish your focus and critical faculties that you absolutely need during the exam. So please aim for about 7 to 8 hours of sleep the night before the exam. Now, a light review before bedtime can be helpful for memory retention, but remember, it's just as important not to overdo it. Number 3, overconfidence. Remember, no matter how well you performed academically in the past, the PE exam presents a unique set of challenges. It's a mistake to assume that you can pass without thorough preparation. Taking a comprehensive review course that covers all exam topics is an excellent strategy. They refresh your memory on what you already know, and they strengthen your grasp on areas where you're less familiar. Number 4, not studying in a timed atmosphere. Many exam takers do tons of practice problems prior to the PE exam, and you should, but they don't do them in a time pressure-filled atmosphere which mimics the actual exam day. You have to do it this way. There's nothing like the pressure of going up against time, so you have to be prepared for it. Number 5, calculator familiarity. This one might seem minor, but it's incredibly important. Make sure the calculator that you bring is approved by the NCAAS. Familiarize yourself with it well before exam day. If you're using a new model, spend time practicing with it. There are many free tutorials available that can help get you up to speed. And here's a bonus tip: reading and following instructions. This might sound obvious, but under exam pressure, it's easy to skim over instructions. Misinterpreting a question can cost you valuable points. So take the time to read each question carefully, understand it thoroughly, and then proceed with your answer. By steering clear of these common pitfalls, you'll be well on your way to passing the PE exam. Remember, it's not just about hard work, but smart work. Stay calm, stay focused, and trust in your preparation. I hope you found this week's video helpful. In upcoming videos, I will solve more PE exam practice problems and answer other questions from our subscriber. Pass the PE exam videos will be published weekly, so please be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss something that could make a substantial difference in your exam result and ultimately your engineering career. And please, I ask you to leave comments below this video and I will respond to them in future videos. Maybe there's a specific topic that you'd like me to cover or a question that you really need answered. We'll pass the PE exam, we'll have you covered. I'll see you next week on Pass the PE exam.